Analyzing and minimizing loan investment risk using random forest classifier by Group 3. Banking and finance are crucial components of the global economy, with a country's banking sector serving as an indicator of its GDP. Financial institutions face constant challenges in identifying potential loan defaulters to mitigate financial risk. If you see in the last 4 months, three major banks, including the First Republic Bank, have collapsed, emphasizing the need for sustainable financial services. Our solution is designed to help financial institutions identify and manage defaulter risk, enabling them to maintain viability in the market.
For this project, we are leveraging the data set from Lending Club Loan Defaulters Prediction that provides valuable information for analyzing and predicting loan default risks. ED was performed on this data set.
So as seen on the screen, exploratory data analysis was performed on both loan dataset and Google survey. On the top left corner, we can see the histogram. From the histogram, we can see that the majority of loans are between $0 and $20,000, with the highest frequency occurring around $10,000. In the bottom right corner, we can see that from the horizontal bar chart, we can conclude that the debt consolidation is one of the most common loan purposes, followed by credit card and home improvement. From the heat map, we can get useful insights that there is a strong positive correlation between the loan amount and installment, indicating that borrowers who take out larger loans also have higher monthly installment payments. There is a moderate positive correlation between the loan amount and annual income as well, indicating that borrowers with higher incomes tend to take larger loans. From the pie chart, we can get to know that different interest rates that the respondents are paying currently. We can see that almost 28% of the respondents are paying 10% APR.
Based on the ED explained, we then perform the data cleaning as was required, followed by data pre-processing, data transformation, data reduction, and removing outliers. Then we explore the potential of using this data set to analyze and develop a predictive model that can help lenders make informed decisions and minimize the risks associated with loan investments. Through this analysis, we aim to provide insights and recommendations to improve risk assessment in loan investments and enhance the overall lending process. We also did a Google survey, as is shown, to get interest rates of what others might be paying. The survey was basically performed in the SJSU community using Google Forms to get an idea of lending clubs competition in terms of how much other people are paying as interest for the different kinds of loans they might have taken. EDA was also performed on the same survey data set, which will be shown in the following slides, based on which data cleaning was also required. Then we use these two data sets to gain insights using Power BI visualization. And here is the dashboard.
We chose to perform our analysis in Power BI. The Power BI desktop has been downloaded and signed up to procure full basic access in Power BI. The clean dataset is then loaded and business insights are visualized. Firstly, you can find the Google Service and Analysis report, in where first visualization provide information about loan count by age group and type across multiple sources, followed by loan count per interest rate by loan source. If we navigate forward, we can find the insights on loan analysis report, which is our core insight provider, which are spread across three reports with diverse visualizations, some of which we'll discuss in here. In the area graph, you can find average interest rate and count per year. The slicers provide additional aid in understanding individual information. The heat map in this report showcases average revolving balance and loan status by loan purpose, helping user in understanding different outputs for different loan purposes. Finally, in this report, we include complex and insightful visualizations. As in the KPI, key performance indicators, we can find the factors which influence rise or decrease in interest rate. These all visualizations help users better understand individual influencing factors and the insights on what influences them. This all results in business owners making meaningful and insightful decisions.
The insights gained from this data set have improved decision making in the lending sector by identifying key factors that impact loan default. Secondly, this finding have had a broader industry impact, enabling lending platforms and financial institutions to enhance their loan approval workflows, risk management procedures, and portfolio management. At last, by using the random forest classifier and their analysis, lenders can effectively reduce risks by identifying high-risk loan applicants and implementing appropriate risk reduction measures.